Hello, this tutorial will teach you how to add an assignment to more than one class in Google Classroom. You're going to open a new tab. You're going to make sure the icon is set to the class account that you want. You're going to go to your apps, go to Google Classroom, make sure you're in the right account. Go to the classroom where the assignment is posted. Click on Classwork. Click on the assignment. Copy the link. Go into the class that you want. And paste the link and click Add. I'm sorry, don't click Add. Title it and click Assign. The other way to do that is to click Create in the class that you want the assignment in. Click Reuse Post. I have a lot of classes and a lot of assignments, so it's taken a long time to populate. Or maybe it's not going to populate at all, but you will have the option. You can see it here. The class would be here, and then you're probably just going to select it. Sorry about that. It's taking too long to load, so I'm going to choose another class. Go to Classwork, go to Create, Reuse Post, and then I can choose which assignment I want. Click Reuse. And here it is. And then click Assign. Thank you.